Well, the sun's out, kiddies. Let's go take a ride on the chest cam today. I want to go show you something. All right, so what we have here is the safety alert RV carbon monoxide propane gas alarm, which was going off in the fifth wheel. Let me go show you where we got that from. There's the fifth wheel right there. Come on in. So yeah, normally this thing mounts right here, and you can see that I've taken it out, and all I did was clip the wires because the alarm was going off like non-stop. I'd come in here and reset it, and eventually, you know, several minutes later, maybe an hour later or whatever, it kept going off again, so I'd have to come in here and reset it. So I finally got tired of hearing it because I can hear it all the way in the shop. It's super loud, super annoying, and it does its job. It will wake you up in the middle of the night if there's a problem. These things only have about a 5-year life. They go bad after a while, but I did notice there are a couple of indentions here where there's probably some screws in there, and I want to take this thing apart and see if perhaps it's going bad, because it is mounted close to the floor, so there might be a chance that there's some buildup of dust, maybe some dog hair. We did have dogs, and it could be causing this thing to prematurely go out and go off all the time. So let's dig into this thing and find out. Get a screwdriver here. Hopefully you can see all this. This is good educational stuff here. Now it says it has a manufacture date of August 5th, 2019. So 5.5 years, whatever that is. Let's get this one out on this side. I don't think I could really salvage this thing anyway. Oh, there it is, right there. Oh, looky there. Oh no, that's a sticker. I thought that was a hair. There is a little piece of something here. What is this? We'll use our little clips here. Well, whatever that is, it's a little bitty. But all in all, it's pretty clean. I don't see any burnt marks on the board to indicate that maybe something went out. Everything looks pretty normal and as it should be. I was able to get one on Amazon. I've got it coming because I wanted to replace this thing anyway, knowing that they do have kind of a short life. I think I got it in white because it was cheaper and on sale, but it's still the Safety Alert brand, so I feel good replacing it with a light part, but it is white as opposed to black, but no big deal. It's in the kitchen, it's down where you can't really see it anyway. Nothing found, it's just dead, that's all. See you on the next one.